and we have also seen some of the components of prompt. Let's start by fundamental prompting approaches. The first approach that we have is zero-shot prompting. In zero-shot prompt, you do not share any example of what the output should look like. Rather, you just share clear and explicit instructions of what you want and what are the things that LLM should not do. The rule of zero-shot prompting is that your instruction should be clear. It should be explicitly mentioned that what are the things that you need LLM to do and what are the things that LLM should not do. Let's see an example of how zero-shot prompting works. We have a price to earning ratio of a company and we want LLM to classify it for us as undervalued, fairly valued, or overvalued. Let's see if LLM is able to answer us correctly. We'll run this prompt and see if LLM is able to answer us correctly. We can see that LLM has answered us correctly, and we can see that 8.5 is lower than 15. It has not only classified the ratio, but it also has shared its reasoning that why it has classified it so. You must be thinking that we have not shared any example with LLM that what is undervalued or what is overvalued, but still it was able to answer us correctly. It was because LLMs are trained on high amount of knowledge. Whenever you ask it any question without giving it example, it is able to answer you correctly because it can use that knowledge and can come up with a correct answer. So that is how a zero-shot prompt works.